The Colorado Avalanche Information Center is a program within the Colorado Geological Survey, and our mission is to reduce the impact of avalanches on the state of Colorado. The program consists of two main features. One is backcountry recreation and the other is transportation. So for the transportation side, we contract with the Department of Transportation to provide forecasting of the threat of avalanches to the state and federal highways within Colorado. So the work that the Avalanche Center does for backcountry recreation includes daily products, both of mountain weather forecasts and of avalanche conditions over large regions of the Colorado wilderness. We break the state up into 10 zones, and every day we put out an assessment of the avalanche conditions within those zones and what the weather is going to do over the next 36 hours to affect avalanche conditions. So the Colorado Avalanche Information Center also houses the national database on avalanche fatalities. We have records going back to the early 1900s, but you can see since 1950, avalanche deaths in the United States have steadily increased. And this is really due to the popularity of backcountry recreation. Each state investigates the avalanche accidents. We compile that information and store it in a central location. So in addition to forecasting, the Avalanche Center also provides training on how to use the information that we create to stay safe in relation to avalanches. That could be for a backcountry recreationalist, where we tell people how to interpret the forecasts we use, collect more information as they travel through the backcountry, and use the terrain and their knowledge of snow and weather to stay safe. It also could be training of CDOT personnel for how to plow the roads and work in avalanche conditions. We also provide training for Boy Scout troops, school children, avalanche professionals, and other groups that are putting workers into avalanche terrain, like power companies, railroads, a lot of different groups. The Avalanche Center's primary mission is to deal with transportation and backcountry recreation, but we're also a resource for anybody in Colorado that has questions about avalanches or how avalanches might impact work or recreation or planning that they have to do. What sort of avalanche potentials exists in areas that they're interested in, and give people some advice on how to approach it, whether it's with forecasting, building codes, education, and workplace protocols. So we can be kind of an initial source for the magnitude of the avalanche problem you have and some preliminary ideas on how to address it. If the information that you're looking for isn't on our website, the best thing to do is to write us an email or give us a call. You can contact us through the website, which is colorado.gov/avalanche. Just give us a brief summary of what you're trying to do, and we'll get someone to give you a call and discuss it further. It's really a rewarding work because we get to talk to lots of different people who have different goals and needs and try to figure out how to help them with this one piece. The Avalanche Center reaches thousands of people a year through education programs and millions of people a year through our website. And so that's a really rewarding piece of the work that we do, is that we're really helping people on a lot of different levels, and we try to keep our focus on how can we help each group that we interact with. We are challenged mentally and physically, and we get to talk to lots of different groups and try to figure out how to help them with the avalanche piece of their problem.